to say thank you guys for coming through to watch my video again. We are making corset top, the simplest way to make corset top with a basque. So guys, let's dive right into the video without wasting much of our time. I'm starting by putting my cup like this. I'm going to place my cup like this and measure my under bust. My shoulder to nipple, that is shoulder to nipple, is 11, and my under bust is, see, is 14 and a half. So this is 14 and a half. So 14 and a half. Yeah, 14 and a half. So my nipple to nipple is 4, but I'm going to add, one is 4, but I'm going to make it 5 and a half. That's, I've added like 1.5 inches to the measurement. I've added 1.5 inches to the measurement. So our full length, this is 14 and a half. Our full length is is I mean the waist length is 18. So after this 18, I'm going to measure my basque. Like I told you, it's going to have a basque. So basque supposed to be 5. Then I'll add 1.5 inches for the seam allowance. Yes, so this is the full length we need. So guys, I'm going to come here and measure 1.5 for my center piece. So now guys, I want to mark my dart out. Don't forget that the original measurements for our nipple to nipple was 4. So guys, this is our back piece. So here I measured my back, which is 8, and I added 2.5 inches. And here I measured my bust, which is 38. Then I added 2.5 inches. Then I came down here, I measured my waist measurement, which is 30, and I added 2.5 inches. And I came down here, I left 3 inches here. So I came in to 6 inches, and I removed half inches for our dart. Can you see the space? Then I came in here, I left 6 inches. I left 6 inches at the upper part, and I came into 14, and I removed half inches for our back vent. So guys, this is the outcome of our back piece. So now guys, I'm going to do the joining of this place. I'm going to join this place. After joining, then I'll put my paper stay, then I'll cut my lining and do proper joining for it. So guys, stick. So guys, I've properly and neatly ironed my interface with it. On my machine now, I want to do proper joining. So guys, I want to attach my ribbon.
Got kick.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. This is the look when I